Hey lovely people, so today I'm going to be talking about the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask right here. So it's that time of the cycle for me where I'm starting to get all of these pimples throughout my face and like super dry and everything. So I just took a shower and now I am going to apply the mud mask. It says apply a thin layer and then wait for 10 minutes. So I'll do that. It has a very creamy consistency and I do not believe that this is a peel mask. It's just a wash off mask. So I'm gonna start now. You know, eventually I'm definitely going to invest in one of those mask kits where they have those brushes and those bowls for people. Yeah. All right, so the mud mask has been applied. I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. I'm gonna sit down and lotion up, put some clothes on and rinse my face and then tell you what I think. All right, I'll be back. Hey guys, so this is what the mask looks like after 10 minutes of drying. Obviously it is not a peel mask, it is a wash off mask, and yeah, it is pretty much dry. I forgot to mention something, that this product is for blemish prone skin, and this is why I'm using it here. Blemish prone skin. This is why I'm using it right now when I have all these pimples on my face, and I'm gonna go wash off. All right, I'll be back to show you the results. Okay, so I'm back. I rinsed it off my face. My face feels very tingly right now, especially around the bigger pores that I have around here and around here, and it feels really smooth. I will make sure to make an update about whether or not these pimples will, you know, subside or go away using the product. I mean, as you can see, there's a lot of pimples and they all came up like yesterday. All these pimples literally came up in one day. So that is why I use the product. And yeah, I'll make sure to give an update later about whether or not the pimples, whether or not it improved getting rid of the pimples, okay? All right, well, ask questions as always, subscribe, like, and share this video, and I hope to see you again soon. All right, bye.